I'm standing level. You can see that clearly goes uphill and up and up. I did get my sternum strap after much struggling connected. It makes the pack a little more tolerable. Here we go. Going up. Yeah, definitely a walking stick. And better health. Okay, there we go. Whew! All right. I feel better now. A little bit more level ground. There's a bench I was talking about. I already had my rest. Ellis Ford. So we're going towards Ellis Ford. Just got to turn around and go back. Okay, 45 minutes. 50 minutes. Watch is 5 minutes fast. Keeps me from being late. Well, theoretically, it never really actually works. And down we go. Wow, that's steep. Alright guys, I'm going to put this down and just start doing the feet, covering some land. If anything exciting happens or I see something cool, I'll fire it back up. Alright guys, a little over 2.5 miles in. I didn't realize it was going to be this far up and down, and man, am I out of shape. But you know what? I'm going to go the 4/10 of a mile to Ellis Ford trailhead, and I'm going to just hop on the dirt roads and hoof my way back to the truck. Probably looking at another 2 miles, so it'll be a total of 5 miles today. And sweating like a stuck pig, because I'm so health conscious during the summer. But you don't get better if you don't start, so we're starting. I checked the GPS just to make sure if I followed Ellis Ford all the way to the end, it would take me to the other end of the forest, which is away from my truck. So I'm going to cheat and just get to the next main dirt road, and I'll hoof the dirt road. I hear stuff walking around. I'm sure there's deer out here. I've seen two. That tree's enormous, and so they're still moving around. I did see a couple more hikers, so not the only one out here. Unfortunately, they didn't look near as tired as I felt. But I'm gonna rest for a minute, get some water in me, and we're gonna get back on it. Flip the camera back on here in a little bit once we probably get closer to the dirt roads. And once I get back to the truck, I'll do a quick recap, check the GPS and see what my total distance, time, and speed was. And my speed's gonna be way down again. This is hilly like North Georgia. I wasn't expecting it. So check this tree out. This thing's awesome. This thing's huge. Look at that. Let's see if that focus. See if that's in focus. There it is. So we're seeing an ant. That thing's a monster, man. Holy crap. So, alright, there's that. We'll check back in a little bit. Alright, headed downhill. I've seen some water back there down the slope. Some sort of creek running. And I swear I hear water. Rushing water. Ah, there's some water right there. There it is. That's the bad boy. I don't know if you can see that over there. Going around the corner. Yeah, these uphills are slowing down. But you know what? This ain't gonna be my only trip out. I want to make it to where this is easy. Well, it's less of a challenge anyway. See if I can get the missus out here. Of course, she'll do. You can really see the water there. She'll do no load, no pack. If anything, just a little bit of water. Maybe a water bladder or something. Yeah, you can see the water moving there. It's nice. Okay. So I should be coming up on the Ellis Ford trail here. Trailhead. Should be able to hop out onto the dirt road. Take the easy way out. Still miles, but less up and down. Okay, back down. Spiderweb. See, this is the stuff you gotta look out for, man. That'll trip you up if you're not watching. There are just stumps and roots everywhere. Well, yeah, that's right. We're outside. Man up. There's my boy Matt at work would say, man the fuck up. Alright, I think I know exactly where we're coming out at. Might have to stop and consult the GPS. There should be a parking lot right up here. Man, look at that water. It's moving along, man. Another spider web. I'm gonna use the camera. There we go. Ha ha. Nice. I will say one thing, man. It's beautiful. I mean, South Florida, it's so flat, and everything's just palmettos and Florida holly. And it just gets kind of boring walking around. Up here, And believe it or not, where we're at, it's North Florida, we actually get a season change. We get leaves change, not to the extent of, say, the Carolinas, or even, again, North Georgia. Yes, I love North Georgia. Spent a few days in Blairsville, and just didn't want to come home. The fucking parking lot should be around here somewhere. Here we go. All right. Okay. Let's see what this says. Foot traffic only. All right. There's a blue blazer, so we're still on the right trail. You gotta be getting close. There we are, dirt road. Dirt road ahead. I got another mile and a half, mile and 3/4 to get to the vehicle. And we are in the sun. Holy shit balls. Alright, we're winding down here. I probably got, a 1/10 of a mile left. Not even. My trailhead's coming up. I told myself if I was less than half a mile away from the truck at noon, I was gonna throw a tarp up and make some food. But since I can actually see the truck from here, I guess I'm just gonna get back and relax instead. I learned a few things on this. The dirty old snappy, my shamog fell. My dirty old snappy hat is woefully inadequate for the sun. So I guess I need to go down and get me a decent boonie hat or something. I got like an old leather boonie hat, but it don't absorb sweat. It just stains it and lets it run down your face, and your face turns yellow. So you get me a decent boonie hat. Surprisingly, my feet did well. Looks like I did a total of like 5 miles. I'll insert the GPS track when I upload this. We'll see what the final number is. And so yeah, I mean, they're a little sore because of the weight of the pack. I really overdid it on the pack, but I did that on purpose because I wanted to push myself, and push myself I did. So here we are, ready to sit down and relax for a few minutes, kill some water, and maybe we'll do a recap. I don't know if I'm going to do it now or when we get back to the house, but we'll try to do a recap. We'll see you then. Alright, so let's recap Sunday's hike in Jennings Forest on Dunn's Farm Road, or Dunn's Farm Trail and Cemetery Trail. We went 5 miles total, elevation of 177 feet, and it was a challenge for someone who's way out of practice like me to do, but we made it through, and we made it through very well. My feet weren't sore, my back wasn't sore,
My shoulders were a little sore, probably for a couple hours after the walk. Um, they got better. They weren't sore the next day or anything. It's a cheap pack, not made for doing that. Um, I've got better packs that I'll use the next time if we go on a real hike. Um, I do need to invest in a hat because this thing just allowed all the sweat to run into my face. It's on my melon for nothing more than habitual conditions. I'm so tuned to wearing a ball cap all the time that I do it. Had plenty of water, but it wasn't that hot. Like I said, it was probably 80 when I made it back to the truck about noon 15. So that wasn't too bad. The scenery was absolutely beautiful. I mean, it's gorgeous out there. We'll be doing that again. I can't wait. This weekend we're going to the Osceola Forest for a camp, Friday night, Saturday night, leaving Sunday morning, afternoonish, and I'm gonna try to video some of that and get it posted up. We've got some editing software now. I'm still trying to learn it. I was gonna put the GPS track on this video, and I just can't figure out how to attach a picture to it. So still a work in progress, but we're getting closer. But that's the recap, man. It was an awesome hike. It was a challenge, but it was an awesome hike. I really dug it, and I can't wait to do it again. This may be a once a month, twice a month thing. I'm hoping to get Mrs. Grease Monkey out there with me to do a little hike time too. I know she likes it. Her schedule's kind of screwy, so she ends up working on weekends. And fortunately for me, I'm a 9 to 5er. Just doing the old busted up the hands thing. So there you go. It was a good weekend, and I hope you guys throw me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you like the content. We're really trying to keep up on getting content out there on a regular basis. I'm trying to do it every Sunday, and I've been failing miserably lately, but we're trying. We're going to make this happen. This is going to work. So until next time, leave a comment, keep your eye on the horizon, and we'll talk to you later.